Hi all. Uh, this particular video is a continuation of the last video. So we already created a data flow and we read it from different SQL tables and we loaded the data into the blob storage. So here in this session, we will check how we can create different flows from the same data. So here you can see we have the select data here and we got a target. It got output to a target. But if we want to use this same data in a different flow also to do few other activities. So in that case, how we can do that? So we can click on this plus and you will see there is a new branch coming up. So if you click on this new branch, this output of this select will be available in two different branches. So now you can see the same select is available for target and the same select is available in this below branch also. Now on top of this, let's do few transformations. Let me create a derived column. So here what we will do is okay, yeah. So the derived column came at the above. Yeah. Whenever you add anything, that comes at the top. Yeah. So the derived column is this one. And here I need to add a column, like suppose a full name. Earlier we had first name, last name, and the middle name. Here I want to add a column called full name. Now for that, what I want is I need to do the expression builder. I can go to this open expression builder, and how the full name will be derived. It will be basically a concatenation of first name and the last name. So I can search for concat. So it will come up here. We click on this. Now this is the syntax that it is expecting. So concatenation, one string, then the other string. So here I would be going to the input schema. So my first letter will be the first name. So I can select this and click on this first name. So the first name comes. Then the second will be the middle name. I can select on this and click on middle. Then put a comma and then the last name. But I would be expecting the first name, then a space, then the middle name, then a space, then the last name. So for that, what I can do is I can put a space in between so that we always get a space between the first name and the last name. Now let's click on refresh. So now you can see the first name, middle name, and the last name is this. So this particular expression builder has source. We are checking for first name, middle name, and last name. And this is how my output full name will be. Let's click on this save and finish. Now let's see, go to inspect. So here we will have customer ID, first name, middle name, last name, and at the last you can see the full name. Now I don't want all these things, so I want to do some. I want to remove few of the columns from here. So in that case, what I can do is I can again on top of this I can add a select, and I can remove the columns that I don't want. So now I have the full name. So I don't want this first name. I'll be removing this first name. I will be removing this last name and the middle name as well. And I want this full name to be at the top. So what I'll do is I'll just drag it to the top so that after customer ID, my full name comes. Now let's preview the data. So now we have the customer ID and we have the full name here. This is Catherine R. Abel, France B. Adam. So this is the full name, and then we have the rest details. So in this session, we check how we can use the same data in two or more different flows so that the same data can be reused multiple times. I hope this session is helpful. If it is informative, then please like and share the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.